Hey guys, so we'll show you what the room is in free. Hi.
What a week for me to try and get more organized. So the kids are on summer break. Both of them have a couple of camps and everything. Lily has some dance intensives and stuff, but I'm still determined to get more organized. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. I'm gonna show you the office. It has kind of become dumping grounds of sorts. Everything else is getting organized, getting more organized, or at least it was. Lily was making homemade squishies over here. I was editing over there a couple of TikToks, and I will show you. Prepare yourself for the office. It is borderline embarrassing, but you know what? We all gotta do something, start somewhere, right? So this is the office. I'm very proud of some of the things here. This fixture I love so much. I actually got it originally Crate and Barrel floor model, brand new for like $150 or something. Maybe it was even less. We put it in our other house and I was so devastated to leave it behind that I then bought it brand new. So basically paid twice for the same fixture, but this time had to buy it brand new. But I love it so much. I've now seen it in like designer homes around the world. So I'm like, okay, I made a good decision. That is my beautiful Maggie Hall piece. That is a painting covered in what's called diamond dust, which is literally shattered glass. All of those Barbie shoes are hand painted. This is just, oh, I love her. She's a Calgary artist. There's slime, there's crafts, I don't even know what else is there. Old clothes, diaper bags here.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh my gosh, you're so strong. Oh my God, you're so strong. Don't hurt yourself. Anyway, there are products in here as well, like skincare products and stuff that I should probably give to one of you guys because there's just so much. It's gonna get better because we're gonna do it together. My goal is to have it be like office and crafts. To forge ahead with the organizing, to continue ahead with the organizing of the house that is driving me cray cray, we are gonna organize a room that has a pink door.
And
Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my room and
wait.
not my room that I sleep in.
But we can say, one thing we can say for sure, this room used to be just underneath the stairs. It was not drywalled, it was just storage.
Okay, can we show you? So look, so this is the room right here. You see it? And then so above it is the stairs. See? Look, you guys, come over here. So you guys, under this area is the room. And as this is my brother. Abby, you say hi. Hi. Oh, and I have somebody that can help us, which is Emily.
That's Emily?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Okay, you have 3 guesses to guess what this room is. Okay, your guesses are down below in the comments, okay?
A closet.
No.
Storage room.
No. Our storage room
Library.
is actually right there anyway.
Okay. Okay. So they're gonna guess what they think it is?
Yes.
Okay. And what?
We'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up, okay? You guys, tell us down in the comments, okay, you guys? So we'll show you what the room is in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the messy Barbie room.
It is.
The messiest part of the room.
It actually looks like a tornado went through here.
Well, I mean, the house is tidy, but the rest?
The house is tidy because everything's on the
You
ground.
You guys, okay, we also have our reading area over here. Okay, this is the reading area. The reading area is pretty messy. See, look, you can sit here, and then you can play a little bit right here, and you have these bookshelves. We have these butterfly lights, and this is really short. And this is a photo of me. This is a picture that my dad drew.
And then this thing, I saw this hack somewhere. I think maybe Darcy actually showed me this. That is a shoe organizer from Amazon, and we use it to organize the Barbies. Although they're kind of like
shoe organizer.
Yeah, but they're kind of like flopping out. But that's okay. It works.
They're going.
Yeah.
They're like help, help! And look, she's even reaching a hand out. Well, my mom cleans that room up, and Steph I'm gonna be playing with Emily.
And you'll be helping me a little bit too, right?
Yeah, I might help you out a little bit, okay? The main thing why we're cleaning this up is,
Yeah, it's sticky over there, so you clean that up. Okay.
So the main thing why we're cleaning that up is because I have this pregnant doll, and I lost the doll, and I also lost the babies and the belly.
So we gotta find it. Mission: find the pregnant Barbie.
Yeah, that's
It's super hard to not get overwhelmed when I see this, but you have to start somewhere. So what I usually try to do is start with putting away a few items. So like I see a couple of bigger items, I'll put those away, and then I try to navigate, okay, which bins do I have here? What, you know, okay, so for example, this bin was for like extra Barbies kind of thing. That's for Barbie clothes. There's one for shoes. So try to navigate where the bins are and what's supposed to go in the bins.
Hi, Mom, where's my hair go?
Oh, is it up in your room?
Yes.
Okay, let's go check up in your room. If you watched my video from 2 weeks ago, my most vulnerable video ever, I share what all of this means, so definitely go check that out. I'll link it below. And by that, I just mean that we have moved so many times that you would think we wouldn't have so much stuff, but something I've realized is me and so many other people spend so much time managing stuff that it literally takes away from family time, working time, maybe relaxing time if you're lucky to get any relaxing time. And all of this managing stuff like really takes away from our lives. And we live in a world where we're, you know, always pushed to consume stuff. But like, for example, like look over here. This is just a fraction of some of our winter stuff. I have multiple winter coats, and I guess we do live in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, where it is winter for like 8 months of the year. So I guess, you know, that kind of makes sense. There's just some like, what? There's just stuff everywhere, and I just cannot take it anymore. And I share in that video that during these moves, especially this last move, we have donated, not even counting the stuff we've sold, donated truckloads and truckloads of stuff. And yet we still have so much stuff. So today is the day where I am really gonna get in and get things to a point where it's like everything has a place and everything in its place. And when new stuff comes in, at least like every quarter, like every 3 months, I really want to kind of go over and just keep things where they're at. Because I feel like anything in life, if you stay consistent and if you maintain, you can like stay at that baseline. So let's start upstairs. And I should add that I know when you have little kids, it is harder to maintain an organized home, but it's not impossible. And I feel like I'm gonna try to prove that to myself. So the first spots up here that I'm going to organize are the bonus room, Lily's room. And honestly, it's not like they're super unorganized. I don't even know why I'm saying organized. I think just like decluttering. For example, these shelves could be used more efficiently. And one of the kind of guiding principles I'm going to use is something I've attempted to use before, back when it was just me and not having 2 kids and whatnot, is if something hasn't been worn, in this case played with, used for 6 months to a year, it should probably find a new home. Here, when it comes to wearing stuff, 6 months to a year, I give it more on that year because we have so many different seasons here, and it goes from being plus 30 degrees Celsius to minus 40, 50 degrees Celsius. So you maybe haven't worn something in 6 months because it hasn't been that cold or that warm. Kids with the toys, if they haven't played with something for 6 months to a year, like I know Lily has a whole collection of Polly Pockets that she has not played with for honestly probably years. And so I either need to box them up and store them away or just get rid of them. So that is going to be my guiding kind of thing, because if something has not been played with, honestly probably a month is better, but like 6 months to a year, it for sure needs to not be in the space anymore. Okay, I'm starting in Lily's closet. I'm officially starting in Lily's closet. This is also, I get so overwhelmed because there's so much to do or so much to organize. So I'm gonna start in her closet and work my way out. And now the next thing to consider is deciding whether to just donate stuff or sell it. Donating is easier in the sense of You pack it up in a box and take it to the place that you want to donate, or maybe get it picked up. I feel like some places pick up. Selling stuff, of course, you then are going to get something for whatever it is. It just takes more time and organization to do that. And for me, it's really the time thing. Like, is it worth trying to sell this item for like $10 or $20, or maybe it's a higher value item, $100 plus? Where is it worth it? And something I've done, which is maybe a helpful tip with clothing, is I've bundled stuff. So with my stuff, the kids' stuff, I will bundle stuff together. And so, for example, if it's stuff of Lily's that's like size 4 or size 5, I'll put like little girls, size 4, size 5, and then bundle it together so that it's like I can get more money for having to deal with less stuff. Does that make sense? Lily just finished up her dance season. So she has all her beautiful costumes, medals, ribbons, all that kind of thing. So what I did is I went and bought a box from HomeSense. It says Let Your Light Shine as her dance memory box. And so what I'm gonna do is put, maybe all the costumes won't fit in here, but like she has her first ballet slippers and stuff like that in there. So I'm gonna put some of these costumes in there for now and just have them in a, you know, a space like this. And that is going to help keep her closet organized for sure. And also for us to be able to open this up and look at all these amazing memories from over the years. Here is Lily's room now. It maybe doesn't look that much different, but to me it does. It just has that overall more organized, overall more organized, less stuff. Like for example, in that shelving thing over there, it was just so crowded and so many things, and now it's just easier to find stuff. Oh, I forgot to, this is her headbands and stuff. It just slides under there. And in her closet, it is a bit more organized with some of her dance stuff, jewelry, hair stuff, and to me it's just much more organized, and hopefully to her too. I did not, she has some stuff that I want her to go through, like some of her Elsa princess dresses she does not wear anymore, which is a bit heartbreaking. I feel like she's gonna want to get rid of some of those, but I'm gonna leave that up to her. I organized her dance stuff, like these 2 shelves. I don't know if you could tell in the other video, but they were just a little bit more cluttered looking. So I organized some of that dance stuff and put the dance stuff that she's done with in the memory box. And then over here is a little bit more cleaned up. And it just makes such a big difference when you come in. Like my big thing is when you come in the morning to get ready for school, when you're not tripping over stuff and things are easy to find, it just makes life so much easier, because with kids, it gets really crazy sometimes. So having things more organized and easier to find really makes the days, you know, a little bit smoother. What's next, Ivor?